Hello YouTube. So I've got a Mazda 5. It's 2008. It's the sport trim. And apparently there's a common issue with the brake light switch going out, and it won't allow you to shift your car out of park. This is the part for it that I took out. In the video in the description, there's a guy that does a really good walkthrough on how to replace it. One thing that I found that slowed me down tremendously is these little things right here were not lined up. And as you can see, they won't turn. But if you just slightly press on this, they'll turn, and then it will go all the way in. And that's your indicator that this will slide in with no problems. Otherwise, you're going to fight it quite a bit. So if you're running the problem, make sure that these are lined up, and then for the brake light to actually work, these need to actually swing back out for the light to engage, and that's basically the problem that I ran into with mine. Hope this helped you. Good luck.